Hi, my name is Chris, welcome to my channel. In this short one, I want to try running the latest version of Deepseek on a Kria KV260 system or module from XIlinx AMD. I'll use AMD website to install a headless form of Ubuntu. The desktop version will work fine, but the system will run out of memory even with the browser window open. For Ollama and Deepseek part, there are tutorials everywhere on internet. On the AMD website, there is a Linux image for Kria KV260. Next step, using Balena Etcher or your favorite tool to create a bootable Linux partition on an SD card. Once it's done, we can now prepare the Kria board, inserting an SD card, an Ethernet cable, and a micro USB cable for serial communication. Now it's time to power up the board and open a terminal window. Set serial speed and port and press enter. Ubuntu will start and ask you to log in and change password. A memory check reveals 3.4 GB of memory available. Now back to the Deepseek tutorial. First we have to install Ollama. This will take a while, here is 200 times faster. Follow the next command lines, now Ollama is running. Please note that the board takes around 600 mA. Now it is time to download and run Deepseek. Only the 1.5b version will work since we do have not much memory. Now we have it. It is very off, but it's way better to experiment with a bad model offline than with the good ones online. Thanks for watching. See you next time.